This is John with WTI. And surprisingly, this has been one of the best energy drinks that I've ever had in my life. This is the Red Bull Red Edition. This is a watermelon flavor. And let me tell you right away, this is great. So I was just having a normal meal the other day, and I just had one of these guys in the fridge that I just bought it recently, and I was like, let's try it. And I was so surprised about the flavor that I even looked at the bottle like it was a family of mine. Like, whoa, nice. And the taste was awesome. It didn't feel not too much sugary, and at the same time, it gave you what an energy drink actually does: energy. So the taste, and the convenience of just pretty much take this anywhere. The flavor, it didn't feel like too sugary like most of the many energy drinks that I've tried before. And it's not gonna give you like this spike, like poof, really tough. It's just a great overall taste, flavor, and convenience. So this was Jean with Dolly ATI, and that was my point of view.